Adding slide transition effects in PowerPoint 2016. Hello there. Today we are going to learn how to enhance a PowerPoint presentation by adding transition effects to the slides. To do this, let's first launch the Microsoft PowerPoint application and open the presentation that we are going to work on. Transition effects appear when one slide changes to the other during a slideshow. We can add the same transition effect to all slides or a different transition effect to every slide. Let us start by adding a transition effect to the first slide of the presentation. Select the first slide. Locate Transitions tab and click on it. Go to Transition to this slide group and click on the More button. A list of transition effects gets displayed. Look, we have so many effects to choose from. Click on a desired effect. Let's click on the Push effect. The effect is instantly applied to the first slide. Next, click on the Effect options in the Transition to this slide group. Select a desired option. Say, from left. Did you notice the effect? Isn't that cool? Guess. We can also control the speed of the transition and choose a sound to be accompanied with the transition effect. To modify the speed of the movement of slide during transition, go to Timing group and specify a value in the duration box. Let's select 2 seconds. Now to add sound, click on the drop-down arrow next to the Sound option in the Timing group. Select a desired option. Let's select Arrow. To apply the same effect to all slides, click on Apply to All option in the Timing group on the Transitions tab. Now, select the Preview option on the Transitions tab to see the preview. Now let's see the final presentation by clicking the From Beginning option on the Slideshow tab. Wasn't that interesting? Do practice this in your lab sessions. Thank you.